Hello community, this is Alexander Zinevich, and here is a fresh edition of our Node.js digest. News about Node.js, server-side JavaScript and everything related. So let's go. And the main news. Who would have thought we would live to see the day when a relatively niche and until recently unknown JavaScript engine would be bought by a huge AI-focused company? But well, that is our reality. Many people, myself included, thought Bun would follow Dino's path, building their own hosting and various services. But nope, Jared Sumner found a way to avoid overloading himself with such complexities, and considering the amount of code he writes, that's really important. So once again, Bun has officially been acquired by Anthropic, the creators of Claude. What does this mean for us? Anthropic is betting on Bun as a technology that is already working not just in Cloud Code, but in other products too, and they want to directly influence the development of this technology, similar to the Google Chrome V8 relationship. Despite this, Bun remains open source, the team stays the same, and development continues on GitHub. Jared says that now they have the resources, stability, and more power to make Bun the best environment for JavaScript. And actually, right now, because of the hype of AI tools and agents, maybe they will succeed. Time will tell us. While the Bun team is getting to know their colleagues from the Anthropic team, the Prisma team has taken perhaps the most radical step in its history. In the Prisma 7 release, they completely rewrote the client, throwing Rust out of it. Personally, on my YouTube, many people praise Rust and consider it almost the best language for guaranteeing speed and stability, with the right approach, of course. But on their blog, Prisma team explained that the previous client version had issues not only because of a limited number of developers knew Rust well enough to contribute, but also performance issues, as the communication between JavaScript and the binary part was very slow. So, what's new in the latest version? Its bundle size is 90% smaller, it executes queries 3x faster, and has much easier deployment to a variety of cloud providers. And of course, type safety has become even better. Type generation now consumes less memory and checks run 70% faster. So, if you, like me, didn't choose Prisma for serverless before, it's time to give it a try. And now let's move forward to our mostly regular blog. What didn't work this month? This time the undisputed winner is Cloudflare. On November 18, Cloudflare experienced one of its worst outages since 2019. And no, it wasn't hackers or a DDoS attack. They simply updated the access rights to the ClickHouse database a little bit. Then another system reacted to this and started receiving duplicated data, which affected the corresponding configuration files and their size, of course. The result? Again, my favorite fast and reliable Rust code did exactly what it was supposed to do. It crashed because the file exceeded the memory limit and the core proxy just went down, throwing 500 errors all over the world. Dashboards were down, variety of Cloudflare services were down, and a bunch of client sites were down too. The team has already taken appropriate measures to ensure this doesn't happen again, or at least doesn't happen again this year. So, that's basically it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to my newsletter on LinkedIn and see you next year.